It's Aaron, and we'll be going through the solution for the LUV. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. Oh, what's the Rombol scale though? Oh geez, didn't look it up. Oh no. Oh no. I'm assuming that's their level 8. Either way. Yeah. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So the main goal of LUV or LUV is to be able to close the, well, I'm using my own definition, I don't like theirs, they just say it needs to be flush. I say that you should be able to close the door the other way around so you can't use this notch. This is how it comes, and I'll show you how to get back to this point after, because I kind of like to store it in its unsolved state. We'll just dump this out. So we have these two L blocks, one V block and one straight, and I think this is how they have it. There you go. Got your LUV. So to solve this puzzle, we're going to take our two L blocks, we're going to place them into each other, and we are going to drop this kind of formation down into the piece. And I was kind of hoping it was just going to stay like that, but we'll just kind of rotate this over so that it's kind of like a roof, I guess. We'll take our V and we'll just slide it between these two, like that. So if you can see that. And then this block can just sit on the bottom. We will slide our door in, and we're done. So now I was saying that I kind of like to store mine in its unsolved state, so to get this back to its original, we will put our L block down. We'll put this one on the side, straight. Our V can go right there. And then our L block, which will just stick up like so. Slide the door back in and back to the beginning. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.